Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WSAPX high CPU usage in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. We all know that high CPU usage can significantly slow down your system, and when it comes from WSAPX, it can be particularly frustrating. Fortunately, there are a couple of reliable methods to resolve this issue. The first method involves running a system file check. To begin, open your Windows search bar and type command prompt. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, carefully type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing ones that might be contributing to the high CPU usage. Please allow this process to complete. It may take some time. If the first solution does not fully resolve the problem, the second approach is to perform a clean boot of your system. To do this, use the Windows search bar again and type System Configuration. Open the System Configuration utility. Within this window, navigate to the Services tab. Here, you will find an option to hide all Microsoft services. Check this box. After that, if any services are still checked, click on the Disable All button. Once you have made these changes, click Apply and then OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer. Performing a clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, which can help pinpoint if a background service is causing the WSAPX high CPU usage. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.